To create a Pinterest account, follow these steps. Visit the Pinterest website, open your web browser, and go to the Pinterest website at www.pinterest.com. Sign up with your email on the Pinterest homepage. You will see a sign-up form. Enter your email address in the provided field and click on the Continue button. Create a password, choose a strong password for your Pinterest account. Make sure it contains a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter the password in the appropriate field. Select your age and gender. Choose your age from the drop-down menu and select your gender. This step is optional and you can skip it if you prefer. Choose your interests. Pinterest will suggest various categories and topics based on your preferences. Select at least 5 categories that interest you. This will help personalize your Pinterest feed with relevant content. Complete the sign-up process after selecting your interests. Click on the Done button to complete the sign-up process. Alternatively, you may have the option to sign up using your Facebook or Google account if you prefer. Verify your email. Pinterest will send you an email to verify your account. Open your email inbox. Locate the verification email from Pinterest and click on the verification link provided. If you can't find the email, check your spam or junk folder. Customize your profile. Once you've verified your account, you can customize your Pinterest profile. Add a profile picture. Write a short bio and provide any additional information you'd like to share. This step is optional, but can help personalize your Pinterest experience. Start pinning. With your account set up, you can now start pinning images and creating boards. Explore different categories. Search for specific topics. And save or pin images that you find interesting to your boards. That's it. You've successfully created a Pinterest account and can now start discovering, organizing, and sharing content that inspires you.